Greetings my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, let's talk about this new item found, and this is CHIBI KARA, model is MK-55VC. This is a horn type cassette player and it has here the mic, volume control, this yellow button, this is tone selector, and it has here another small switch. This is for the tape, power off, robot, and VC, and it has 3 buttons: play, forward, and stop. The big yellow circle, this is the speaker. In this video, I'm using here 4 pieces AA size battery, and the battery compartment is located on this part here. This is the battery located on this side. This is the DC jack. Center pin is positive and it needs 6 volts AC/DC adapter. Now we will try to play this one. Thanks for watching.